Dear friends, today we are going to discuss the Cuplock system for the shuttering of slab. As you can see here that in this system we have to make a frame-like structure from its different elements. Now, what are the different elements used in this system? Are the vertical elements which you see here are known as standards. Different sizes are available in market for standards. The horizontal elements connecting the two standards, starting from this standard and ends at that, are known as ledgers. The other element of this system is the base jack. This is universal jack combined with the base plate makes the base jack of this system. There is a jack also at the upper end of the standard. It is connected to the U head, or it is called fork. The pipes are the tubes which you see here runs from one standard to the other one, but in an inclined position. These are meant for bracing so that it can resist any collapse or lateral movement in the frame. To bind the bracing pipes with the standard, we use these couplers. These are known as couplers. These silver colored members, which are in both directions, in X directions, also in Y direction, are the beams, and these are made up of aluminum. Sometimes we can use the timber beams also. The beams resting on the standards are known as primary beams. The beams in the shape of ribs which rests on the primary beams are known as secondary beams. All the assembly which you see here, it depends upon the approved shop drawings for this system. You have to strictly follow the approved shop drawings for the spacing of the standards and for the sizes of the ledgers. Another very important point to note is to put wedges, timber wedges, in the empty space of the U head or the fork. You have to fill the empty space. If you can see here, we have only one beam that is passing in the U, but the U head is of larger size, so we must not leave the space empty. We will put timber wedges inside so that to avoid any moments during or after the concrete. For drop beams in the slab, you have to follow the conventional carpentry, where the carpenter will mark the levels and will put the shutter for the bottom of beams, and then he will make carpentry for the beams on internal side first, and when he is finished with the steel works, he will fix the shutter from the external side after that. And after that, he will put tie rods. He will fix tie rods in the middle of the beam so that to avoid any bulging effect during concrete casting. The purpose of this video was to give an idea to you people that the Cuplock system may be used to support the same system which is used by Doka. The difference between this system and the Doka system is only the supports that we give to the primary beams. Here we use Cuplock, standards and ledgers, whereas in the Doka case we use the proof jacks to support the primary beams